Bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my love, so I thought that I would do a really fun video for you guys today. We're gonna go over the craftings, the Easter crafts that I did for you guys last year. I have some in this little bag that I have left over. A lot of the Easter crafts that we created together I kind of mailed out or I give away. I don't have too many left over, but I do have a few in here, and I wanted to just go through it with you guys just to kind of do like a little reminiscing of what I did last year. And the reason why I also wanted to do this video is I wanted to show you guys the cards. Well, these are the tags that I'm making for the Easter DIY projects that we're going to be doing. You guys know that I do this every season. I did it for Valentine's, for Christmas, for Halloween. And now we're doing it for Easter. I already have here my 21 tags. All I gotta do is basically just put a hole in the center and add reinforcement on it. And then we're basically okay to add this to the board. I also have to add the numbers. But again, it's something that I do for every season that I am going to be crafting. So I just wanted to show you guys what they're going to be looking like, and I am also going to do another video probably maybe in another hour or so on these little leftovers, little scraps that I have from the tags that we're creating. I want to create some embellishments out of these little leftovers, so I think I'm gonna probably do that next for you guys, and then this way we can have some little embellishments for our Easter projects. So that's what I am up to right now. So here I have all my tags all ready to go. Just to give you a little quick peek of what I'm going to be working with, okay? Alright, so let's go over the stuff that I did for you guys last year. Now, I gotta tell you, some of the stuff in here may have not made it to my Easter series last year, because I did do some crafting after the series was over. But a lot of the things that I have here are definitely from that series, okay? So I wanted to show you, I did this little adorable clothespins with the little, you know what, let me get you closer so that you can really see these. So I did these little adorable clothespins, not clothespins, these are more paper clips, using these little bunny stickers, and I added some pom-poms to the tail of the bunny. I thought these were really, really fun. These are part of my Easter series from last year, so these are really, really cute. They turned out really adorable. Then we have these really fun Easter little, here, let me put this here. We have these little Easter inspired little paper clips that I did for you guys. These are really super cute. I love how these turned out. These little Easter little chicks are so cute. They're actually made out of wood veneer, and we added a cute little bow next to it. We used these little sparkly, glittery clothespins, and we just attached it to a small cupcake liner. I thought these turned out really fun, and they're cute. They turned out really, 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 really cute. I don't have too many of these left over. I gave a lot of these away, but these are cute. Okay, that's that. Let's see what else I have here. Okay, remember these? These are really, I love how these turned out. These were my favorite out of all the embellishments that I made. I really loved. Here's another one of these. I really loved how these turned out. These are the tickets that we created using some really fun stickers and some folk flowers, some ribbon. We also used the little tiny Easter eggs that I told you guys that I was obsessed over. We also used that, and we created these really fun embellishment little tickets for Easter. I thought these would turn out super cute. I love these stickers. They're so freaking adorable. I still have more of these left over, so we'll do some projects with them. And I thought these turned out really cute. And I also made some using some Easter egg stickers instead of the bunnies. So these were really fun to create. And I really love how they turned out. I'm gonna do my best to try to, like, as I'm showing you this in the order that I'm showing you, I'm gonna do my best to try to link the videos that we did the tutorial on these to this video in the bottom, so I can make it easier for you. If you want to make these, you can just click on the link and it'll take you directly to that video. So I'm gonna do my best to do that for you guys, for the ones that I'm able to find, because again, some of these I just did after the series. So I'll do my best to help you you know, try to find these tutorials easier. I made these really adorable, oh my gosh, I love these. I really do love these. I love the stickers. I really love, like, the, I don't know, the look of it is just so beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful. It's just so Easter inspired, but very delicate, very pretty, very unique. I just love how these little note cards turned out. I added the cute little furry sticker, and then we also added some really beautiful vintage ribbon and some nice cute little tiny ribbon bows, and it was just such a cute project to create. And then the inside, we added a happy Easter sticker with some little tiny Easter egg stickers. So these turned out so pretty. I really love how these turned out, and I am so in love with these little mini cards. I love creating them. I think they're so much fun to create. I literally do have, like, really a good time making those little mini note cards. Okay. I also made these, right? What are these? Oh, these are little stuffed little pocket envelopes. So we made, okay, let me see how many of these we have left over. So we have more of these little tickets. Let's put those in here. Okay, we don't have too many of these left over. But I made these little pocket embellishments that you can actually add, like, little, here, like these have something. You can add these little like little stickers if you want in here, or you can add you know, like little journaling cards, whatever you want to add to them. I kind of made it into like a little pocket, so you can add some little goodies in here and mail them out to your pen pal. But these also turned out super cute. Here's another one that has a little journaling card in there. They turned out so cute. I love these. I love the sticker on these also. I just love them. They're just so pretty and so beautiful. I love the pink. I love everything about these little mini envelope pockets. They're just so cute. These turned out really fun. And I also showed you guys how to make these as well. Put those there for now. Okay, what else do we have here? Oh, I love these embellishments. You guys remember these embellishments we made together? Oh my gosh, I don't have too many of these left over. I had to literally make like another dozen of these little embellishments for some of my friends who were driving me crazy with them. They were like, you have to make me some. So I had to make like literally about a dozen of these, in addition to the ones that I already made for some of my friends. But I can see why. They're so beautiful. I love these embellishments. Oh my god, these are definitely my favorite, I have to say. Oh, I'm sorry, and here are the envelopes of the little stuffed mini pockets too. I forgot to show you that. Sorry. Okay, so these are really adorable. We created these together. Oh my god, these turned out so beautiful. I absolutely love these embellishments. These are my favorite, by far my favorite. One, because it has my favorite flower from Michaels. These sequin flowers are gorgeous. I love them. I love that we can use these little tiny doilies that are vintage, and also the little chickies are just so cute. This ribbon is my favorite ribbon ever. I don't know if you can see. Let me see. I have the ribbon right here actually. If I can reach for it, I can show you. They're like little chickies. You see that? The ribbon? It is so cute. I don't even know where I got this ribbon from. I want to say AC Moore, but they didn't have any more of these. I know it for a fact because I know I would have grabbed a whole bunch of those ribbons. I only grabbed one, but anyway, these embellishments turned out so beautiful. These are definitely by far my favorite embellishment from the entire series. These are so cute. I love how these turned out. They just look so beautiful. And they also look really cute for like a baby present, right? Like a baby, maybe you want to do like a baby book or something. They're also really, really cute for that because the chicks are like little baby chicks. They're cute. Okay, what else did we do together? We also made these really fun, we did a whole bunch of different kinds of tags, if you guys remember. So we made these really fun tags together also. We used some of them are with canvas, and then this is with burlap. And these were also fun to create. I love these. I love making tags. So no surprise, I love making them. They're really fun to do. And let me show you up close. These are the burlap ones that we created last year. And then these are the canvas, pink canvas fabric that we created. These are fun also to create. Lots of fun to create these. Okay, we also made some circle tags together. I'm not sure we made this together. I don't want to say we did make this in my series because I don't recall. If I did create this in the Easter series, I will link it at the bottom. I don't remember right now if I did this like on my own or if it was part of the series. But in any event, these are just little cute little circled tags that I made. It was just kind of like one of those like layering tags. I layered a whole bunch of circles, a whole bunch of like different shapes of circles, and it just made them into like a little sweet, adorable circle tag. These also turned out really, really fun. And then on the center of the tag, I used these really tiny little stickers from, I don't know where, I think it's Michael, but they're really fun. You see the little tiny stickers there? Can you see there? I'm not sure if you can see with the glare. These turned out fun also to create. Okay. Oh, these are nice too. We made these. I remember we made these. Yes. These are, I didn't have too many of these left over. These are little mini library cards that we also created together. These are like the little library cards. I love these little ones. These are also turned out really fun to create. I only have 3 of these leftovers. I made so many of these and literally I only have 3 left over. But these really turned out super cute. They're like little mini library cards, and I just love how these turned out. And then we also made, I think we made these together also. This is one of these really fun button embellishments using some fun stickers and just some fun paper. These also turned out really pretty. I used these really adorable puffy stickers, which are so much fun to use, and we added some pom-poms in the tail. We used this really beautiful paper that's just really gorgeous. And yeah, these are really fun too. These turned out really fun. And the last thing I have here are these. I love how these turned out. I don't know how I even came up with this, but this was such a really good idea. I really want to make something like this similar for this Easter series. But I made these little embellishments, and I just thought they were like so realistic. I made them using, again, the puffy sticker, some really tiny doilies from Michaels, some really fun ribbon, and then I made this like kind of like a hay, or like some kind of like what would you call this, like I don't know, artificial like flowers or haze or grass, and it just looks so realistic. It looks like the bunnies are like literally hanging out, and then there's some grass coming out from the back. It looks so pretty, and it was so easy to create. But I really love how these little embellishment cards turned out, really like realistically looking, and I think it's just such a pretty DIY project. I love these. So that's basically all I have left over. I don't really have much more left over from last year. That's the only thing. So I just wanted to show you guys a really quick video, because I was kind of like reminiscing. I like to reminisce sometimes. So I was a little bit like reminiscing on the stuff that I made, and I was just trying to, like, you know, get some ideas. This also helps me not to make some dupes, you know, so this way whatever I'm doing for this year, I kind of change it up a little bit for what we're gonna be doing, so it doesn't seem like it's the same constant thing that we're making, you know, constantly. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you get some ideas from these really awesome DIY projects. Again, I'm gonna do my best to link every single one in the order that I showed you in the bottom of the video. Hopefully that would help you, and it will just give you, like, you know, direct link, and you can just go directly to it. This way you don't have to like keep searching through the playlist of last year. There are some things that I'm showing you here that are in there. Again, there are also some things that are not included in here that I also made for you guys. So if you want to go through the playlist and see what I didn't show you here, you can do that, because there are some things that I just, you know, didn't have any more to show you, because I either give them away or I mailed them out to friends. Love you all. Have a fantastic weekend. Thank you so much for sticking around with me and for returning. I will see you guys soon on my next video. I love you all. Have a fantastic weekend. Please be safe out there, and make sure you subscribe and like, honey bunnies. Have a awesome weekend. Bye.